Hello children, today we will be doing some of the explanation on areas related to circles for class 10th. Areas related to circles. So for this, first of all you should know what is a circle. The set of points which are at a constant distance of r units from a fixed point O is called a circle. That means all the points over here, that is the set of points over here which are at a constant distance r from this point, that is fixed point O. So it is known as a circle. Now here you can see O is your center and R is your radius. Now circumference. As you have studied in rectangle, squares, or there, what happens? The boundary, it is known as your that is perimeter in that case. But in case of circle, the perimeter of a circle, it is known as circumference. Okay, this boundary, that is the perimeter of a circle, is called its circumference. So we can write circumference upon diameter equals pi. Okay, or we can write it as circumference equals pi multiplied by diameter d. Okay, now we have used c for circumference. C equals pi multiplied by 2r. As you know, diameter is 2r, 2 times r. Okay, so pi multiplied by 2r. So circumference is 2 pi r. Now for secant, a line which intersects a circle at 2 points is called a secant. Now you can see over here, this is your circle and this line L is intersecting the circle in at 2 points. Okay, one here and one here. So a line which intersects a circle at 2 points is called a secant. Then arc. A continuous piece of a circle is called an arc of the circle. Means if we are taking the part of the circle, only this much if we are taking, so a continuous piece of circle. This piece of circle, it is known as arc. Okay. Now area of circle. Area enclosed by the circle of radius r is given by area equals pi r square, where r is radius. So the whole area enclosed within, that is by the circle, this whole area, this is known as area of circle, and the formula for it is area of circle is pi r square. So now come to example first. Find the circumference and area of a circle of diameter 28 centimeter. Now what they have given, they are saying that you are having a circle whose diameter is 28 centimeter. Yes, so diameter of a circle is given equals 28 centimeter, and you know diameter is 2r. Yes, that is 2 times r. Yes, so diameter is given 28 centimeter equals 2r, which implies r is 28 upon 2 centimeter equals 14 centimeter. So you got the radius to be 14 centimeter. Now what they are saying, find the circumference. First circumference, then area of circle. So you know the formula. I told you circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Yes, so it will be 2 multiplied by pi, you can take 22 by 7, and r is your 14 centimeter. So 7 2 times, so it will be 2 into 22 44, 44 into 2, it is 88 centimeter. Okay, now we want to find out the area of circle. So area of circle, the formula is your pi r square. Value of pi is 22 by 7 multiplied by r, that is radius is given to be 14 centimeter, multiplied by 14 centimeter, 7 2 times, so 22 into 2, it is your 44, and 44 into 14, how much it is? Just calculate it. So it is your 616 centimeters square. So in this way you can do it. Example second is, if the perimeter of a semicircular protector is 36 centimeter, find its diameter. Now what they are saying, first take the protector. Your protector is just like this. Yes. So perimeter is given. Okay. Perimeter of protector is your 36 centimeter. Yes. And we will assume, suppose let the radius of the protector be r centimeter. Okay. Now you can see this is r, this will be r. And you know circumference for circle is 2 pi r. But this is half circumference. So it will be pi r. Yes. So this portion will be your only pi r. Since for circle it is given to be 2 pi r, so for half it will be pi r. So your perimeter over here will be this pi r plus r plus r. Okay. So pi r plus r plus r. So it is your pi r plus 2r. Or you can say r, take common over here, pi plus 2. Or you can say r, pi is 22 by 7. And the value of pi, somewhere we are using 22 by 7 and somewhere we are using 3.14. If it is specified in the question that use this 22 by 7 or that, then use that one. Otherwise you can use anything, 22 by 7 or 3.14 plus 2. So it is r 22 plus 14 upon 7 equal to 36 upon 7 r. Okay. And perimeter, this is p perimeter. Perimeter is given to be 36 centimeter equals 36 upon 7 r. Yes. Or it will be cancelled. Then you can say r is your 7 centimeter. And we want to find out diameter. So you know diameter is 2r. So it is 2 into 7 centimeter equals 14 centimeter. So in this way you can do it. Thank you. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy learning with Bhavna.